What's up, y'all? It's your boy Daniel. Welcome back to my channel. I am back for another video. I have something really cool planned. I think I'm gonna start a new series on my channel called That sounds really dramatic. So I subscribe to two different subscription boxes. I subscribe to Ipsy and Boxycharm, but I think it would be cool for me to put them both to the test and see which products I like better, which products perform better, which box I'm just more excited about. I have both my Ipsy and my Boxycharm August 2019 boxes right in front of me. I'm just gonna very quickly go through all the products that came in them, and then we can put them to the test. But I think this is gonna be super cool. I'm gonna do a full makeup look. Hopefully I can use all of the products that are in these boxes that are makeup related. We'll put a look together and we'll see my final thoughts. So without any further ado, let's get right on into this video. So first up we have Boxycharm. I have opened these already, and some of the skincare stuff we're obviously not going to use today. I have used some of it already. In terms of the makeup, I really wanted to save it for this video. In my Boxycharm box this month, I did get one skincare item. I got the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I have been putting to the test for the last probably 5 or 6 days, and I really like it so far, but it is quite illuminating, so I do really like it. I am wearing it underneath my primer today. We also received this BECCA Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. These beautiful Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadow Duo, and I have Cotton Candy, which is the one that I'm gonna go into today. And then we have Iced Latte, which is like a shimmery brown. Does this remind you of anything? I hope they're as good as the ColourPop ones because those are bomb. Next up, I have this Steve Laurent lip liner. The shade is Vogue. I can't Vogue. Last, we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara,
which I think is new.
That's all 5 items from our Boxycharm. Next up, we have
Ipsy.
So in this box, I got like 2 skincare items. I got the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask and then the Poreless Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen. I tried this when I went to the beach the other day. The smell is intense. Otherwise, this is a box. Ooh. First up, which I'm very excited about, we have the SUVA Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, which remind me of the Cover FX drops. Next up, we have a Farrah Brushes Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. And then the last one is the In the Balm of Your Hands from theBalm Cosmetics. It is a greatest hits palette. So this is what she looks like. She's got a nice mirror in there. It has 4 eyeshadows. The Mary Luminizer. It also has the Bahama Mama blush, which I will put to the test today, or bronzer, sorry. And then we have these really pretty blushes. So that is everything. I have got my wine and my coffee here, and I am ready to go with this. So I have already primed my face. I'm just gonna go right in with the SUVA Beauty drops. Oh, the packaging is cute. It's like a little teardrop. So I'm gonna put some in my hand. Oh, this doesn't have a stopper. Oh, I hate that. I have a feeling I am going to look like
C3PO.
We're gonna do it hard, right? This looks crazy. Let me go in with my foundation. That actually looks super pretty. I'm gonna need like a touch more coverage, I think, just to kind of get rid of like the excessive shine that there is. It does look super radiant, which, you know,
I'm into.
For once in my adult life, I think my face might be lighter than my body. That's not cute. All right, let's just go straight into some concealer. As always. Oh, crap. Forgot to do cream contour. All right. Let me just set this very quickly. Same shit as always. I've been realizing that I'm getting a little yellow underneath my eyes when I'm editing, so I'm just gonna go in with this pinkier tone right here. All right, well, I just realized that I
Screwed up.
I was supposed to try the Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So we're just gonna go right in
Again.
with some wet powder. I'm just gonna go right in. Oh. Powder is getting everywhere. Oh, that's weird. That feels
Cold.
She can stay so far. We'll see how it lasts. Let's go into some Korean contour.
Let's blend.
Jeez.
Cut.
Your boy had a sty right in here for a couple of days. So it was terrible.
Terrible.
Also, this came right after I did my trying on all of my lipsticks video, which was a
Mistake.
My lips were swollen and raw for like 3 days after that. But it's okay, it's over and done with now, and she is
Recovered.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna use this powder now while I am doing my eyebrows off camera. I'm just gonna bake the sides of the nose. While this bakes, I am very quickly going to just do my brows off camera and we will be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. I did my eyebrows. I also put some primer on my lid. So I think it's time to dive into some I feel like I normally get like a ton of eye products, but I got that palette. I'm not gonna use this for eyeshadow today. I will be going in for the blush and the bronzer, but I really wanna get into these cream eyeshadows, and I really wanna do like a pink and purple halo eye. So I'm gonna go into the Cotton Candy Glimmer Shadow Shade, which is this really beautiful like duochrome pink gold that almost might translate as orange. Let's swatch her real quick. Oh, look at that. Let me swatch the brown one as well for you guys, just so we can see. Look at the luminosity on that. That is gorgeous. So let's get right on into this eye look. Who better to pull out for a pink look than...
You got old Jeffree Star.
These shadows are so good. These get a lot of love from me. I'm definitely going into this shade because this is my favorite pink
Of all time.
It is so pigmented and so good. I love it. And then we're gonna go into the Blood Sugar palette. So yeah, let's get this shit.
On my eyes.
Oh, come on. Oh, everything is going everywhere. All right, so I actually think I'm gonna go into this brush. This is the 65 EM Mini Shading. So we will see how these
Perform.
it also comes with like a pencil brush, which I actually think is gonna be great, the 105E pencil brush, as well as the angled brow, and then a 10F concealer brush, which I guarantee you I will never use for concealer. They're really pretty. Like, look at these handles though.
Gorgeous.
So let's start off by going into Root Canal. Just like
Vibrant purple.
Oh, that was easy. It's a nice brush. I like this. It's good for packing on because it does have that really slim shape, but it is kind of
Better.
Today was the launch of the Jeffree Morphe collab part 2. Did anyone get
Anything?
I was right up on there because I wanted to get that palette to test out on my channel for you guys. All right, that looks
Great.
I am now gonna go into the Beauty Killer palette. Let's hope for the best here. I'm gonna go into this brush. This is a lot
Better.
of a brush than I would use to kind of blend out an edge with another color. Normally I would go into like the Morphe M514, like it's a lot smaller, but we shall see. And if I screw up,
Great.
maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's
Alcohol.
I'm just gonna go right into the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. I'm gonna go into Star Power. Dip in just a little bit because this shade is quite pigmented. Very precisely blend out the edge. I don't know how I feel about this brush for this technique. All right, I'm not gonna use this brush anymore. It's not the correct brush for kind of the technique I'm going for, so I'm just gonna go into the Morphe M514.
Oh, much better.
I am gonna do more of like a rounded eye look. So normally I'll kind of bring it outward, but I think I want to keep my eye more round shaped today, so I'm not gonna bring it like super far out this way. I might around and put some yellow in there too.
Why not?
Makeup is fun.
I have a feeling wearing this white shirt was...
Mistake.
We'll find out. My My eyeballs will be the death of me one day. They always get so
watery.
I am gonna go back into that initial purple shade, just reinforce it just a little bit and kind of meld it together.
I don't think I could be more obsessed with this if I tried.
She looking good. I'm so into this look. I do like a pop of blue on the bottom. Let's throw some of this on in the middle. I'm just gonna take it on my finger. Oh, I'm obsessed.
Obsessed.
All right, this look is coming together very beautifully. Why not just make it like super fun and colorful, rainy and perfect? I'm gonna use this small detailer, the 105E pencil. Let's pop this blue. I like haven't been doing colorful looks that much anymore, so like, this is giving me
All the inspiration that I need.
obsessed. I think I'm actually gonna use that shade from Ace Beauty. I'm gonna use that to highlight my inner corner. I'm gonna use this Luxie 141 mini brown. It's
Teeny tiny.
obsessed. How many times am I gonna say that word this video? Oh no! I want to do something vibrant in the waterline. I'm gonna take this pencil brush actually and just pack in some of Star Power into my waterline.
Let's hope my eyes don't burn.
Okay, well, it's in my
eye
and not so much in my waterline, so we'll try that again. Oh, there's powder in my eye. That is not fun.
But she's looking good.
I think maybe I will do a little bit of this just like on that inner. By the way, this is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Space Dust. Okay, my eyes are ready to
End it all.
So let me take a quick sec, and I will be right back to finish up this face. All right, y'all, we are back. I just had to do some very quick damage control because my eyes decided to
sweat.
nothing moved, which I'm so shocked and happy about. Thank you, Jeffree Star, for creating incredible eyeshadows. We're gonna go into that.
Big ego.
You know I got a big ego, girl.
This is from Tarte. Let's hope and pray that it isn't
Garbage.
This is the packaging. It is vibrant and pink and going with this whole look we got going on. This is a
Big brush.
y'all. Let's try her out. Look at the difference. That looks really nice. Let's go in and finish the rest of this.
Face.
To finish off the face with some powder contour, I am just gonna dip right into the Bahama Mama bronzer right here. So this is a Morphe brush. I got this when I first started drag, so this is really, really old. So I'm just gonna dip right into Bahama Mama. She's a little big.
Oh, that's really nice.
I like that for a powder contour. I doubted it,
I really did.
but it's actually really nice on the skin. I don't know why, I just put this away. We're gonna go into her for
Blush.
obviously, other than this, I didn't get another highlighter. I really don't want to go into this Mary Luminizer. It's just like not enough for me. We like a
Dramatic highlight.
I want to go into this. This has been out for a while. This is the e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder in shade
Sunset Glow.
I picked this up at Target the other day. I saw it was on clearance, so I'm like, I've heard Tati talk about this like quite a lot, and then it reminds her of BECCA. It was
$3.
it is a really pretty shade. I've already swatched it, so let's just dip right in. I don't know if this is my favorite. I forgot to reinforce nose contour, so I'm just gonna go right back in with that. All right, nose contour is it's time for bronzer and blush. I'm gonna go into my Tarteist Pro Glow. My face finally matches my body. I'm gonna go into this one, keep it a little bit more subtle on the cheek. So I'm gonna go in light at first.
Oh,
Ooh. That's a really pretty blush shade. Now we are nearing the end here, people. Okay.
Still haven't bought a new brow gel.
So I just realized that I'm the moron that did not put on a little bit of eyeliner to conceal my lash band. Once again,
In the home stretch.
as I've said like 400 times, I am gonna gonna throw on some lashes real quick. I'm gonna go into, can you guess it?
Yes.
You are right.
Quacky twerk lashes.
I'm gonna go into style Foxy. They're super dramatic, just like this
Look.
I'm gonna pop these on really quickly and I will be right back. All right, lashes are on. Let's just go into our last product try. So this is the Steve Laurent lip liner in Vogue. Then I'm gonna go into
Staunch.
by Anastasia Beverly Hills. If I had rhinestones, I would put them.
All over my face.
Let's just go into some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist.
Alright.
This is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Let's just do a quick little
Rundown.
of all the products that we tried, and we will name a
Winner.
First, we're gonna go up with the Boxycharm box. So we got this
Beautiful.
BECCA powder. I really, really like. It is very, very strange at first, but like my under eyes look flawless. This is a winner and I'm very happy to have this. Next, we have the Wander Beauty. I've been using this for a couple of days. I do really, really like this. Next, we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara.
Love this.
This will be a new favorite of mine. The Ace Beauté. This Glimmer eyeshadow duo, phenomenal. Like, look how great it looks on the lid. I will obviously play with the brown tone a little bit more, but just seeing it on my hand, like, it's gorgeous. And then the lip liner. The lip liner was great. It's not too creamy because I've tried like the Wet n Wild ones and they're just like a little too creamy. You don't have a lot of wiggle room, so like they can kind of get everywhere very, very quickly. This is a little bit more firm. Overall, Boxycharm did really great with this box. All right, and next we have our Ipsy box. This I didn't like. Maybe I'll use it. I probably won't. It's probably just gonna
Sit there.
This I have not tried. The ingredients seem really, really good though, so I am excited to try it. It is vitamin E and hyaluronic
Acid.
Farrah brushes, so far so good. These were great so far. I only tried 3 of them, but they did perform very, very well. The SUVA Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. These are great. I do want to see how those compare. Those are $26. I didn't use them for a highlighting application. I can't really use liquid highlighters like that over top of makeup. So I'm gonna put it to the test, but for something that is pretty much exactly the same as the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops and almost half the price, you really can't go wrong. And then theBalm, this palette. I was not initially very excited about this palette just because I don't get excited about neutrals, but the blushes,
Gorgeous.
and this bronzer surprisingly really, really took me by storm. So I am quite into this as well. I'm sorry, Anastasia, but it's really good. And that is it.
Oh.
That is it for our
Battle of the Boxes.
Who is the winner? Y'all, I gotta say, I think Boxycharm takes this.
Round.
They did great with this box. They really, really, really did. Every single item that I got in this box, I really enjoy so far. Normally, if I get a subscription box, like there's always like one item I don't like, but they did so good with this box. They killed it. Boxycharm is the winner here. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you like this video, if you like me, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon as well, because we are not new to YouTube. We know that the subscribe button doesn't work. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.